Hi everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. So here I will tell you the most important task, how to fix browser problems very safely. Nowadays, there is no system is completely free from the viruses and the junk files. These files will download from the internet without your knowledge. These files will create new problems like browser is not working, or might be connection is timeout, or the site can't be reached. Like that, there is a lot of issues we might see or you might already experience previously. So here I will show you few images how exactly the browser issues might occur. You can see the screen. So these are the different screens I show you. Might be some persons might experience with different issues because of this browser compatible, or might be with internet connectivity issues because of with these type of applications. So you might see this one screen like this page can't display or server not found. Like that. So you might see the different screens. You might experience different screens whether because of these type of browser issues. So just take screenshot or even if you found any new screens, just comment in our commenting section. So to overcome this problem, what you need to do means you need to clean your PC at regular intervals. Because the cleaning the PC in the sense, you have to clean junk files and temporary files and the files which are not at use. To perform this task, I already prepared a video and this is the link for that one. So I'll just show you now. I already copied that link. I'm opening in the browser. So here is a video. So this is a video. I already explained how to clean your computer with the basic instructions. So anyone can easily understand. So just follow the tutorial and you can able to clean your computer. And you have to perform this task once in a week or twice in a week as per your convenient time. And for the better results, you have to stick with any antivirus programs. Whether you already purchase any antivirus program, you can stick with that one. Or even if you don't have anything, you can just go with the Defender tool. So this Defender tool is a product from the Microsoft and which is for free. So to open the Defender, press Window and R and then type Control. So here I'm opening. I already pressed Window and R and now I'm typing Control and I hit OK button. And it will give you the list of services which are available on this machine or this computer. So just navigate to Defender. So this is the Defender tool and this will work if you don't have any antivirus program. If you already install any antivirus program, it might be in the hidden condition. Just make sure if you wish to use that, just uninstall your antivirus program. Uninstall antivirus program only if it's ready to expire or it's already got expired. Okay. If it's an active subscription, don't uninstall. But in order to installation, you need to contact the support. Sometimes they might ask for the money in order for the installation also. Now we'll move to the next phase. That is the main phase, the browser reset. So this process is different from each and every browser. For the better understanding, just follow this tutorial very carefully and observe the screen. First, we'll discuss with the Chrome. So in order to do that, just press Window and R, and in the text box, you have to type Chrome, and then hit OK. Then it will open the respective browser. And now expand the Google Chrome browser, and at the very top right corner, you can see three dots, which is in the line. Just click there and go to Settings. And once you go to Settings, you will see the list of options. Just drag it down and click Advanced. And once again, drag it down. At last, you will find option Reset. Just click that one and you will get the pop-up. Just click Reset once again. That's it. We resetted the Google Chrome successfully. Now, we'll move to the second one. That's the Firefox. Just do the same thing, press an window and hit letter R, or window and R. And in the text box, just type Firefox, Firefox, and then hit OK. And it will open the respective browser. Now just click at the very top. Sometimes you might see the settings icon. Just ignore that one. Sometimes you might find the option, sometimes you may not. So these are settings. You will get a list of options which are available there once you click this settings icon. So you might see at the very top or right side corner. Now just click on very top. Once you right click, you will get these options. Just select the menu bar. And in the menu bar, just go to the last section, that is a help. So here is the one. And then click troubleshoot information. So these are the information about which version of Firefox you install, and all this information will be available here. And now click refresh Firefox. Once you hit that, you will get once again the pop-up. Just click that one and wait. It will take a little bit time and it has to back up all the data what you have previously with the Firefox. That's it. We resetted the Firefox browser successfully. Well, here I'll give you information regarding the browsers. Well, the first one is a Chrome. The Chrome came from the Google, and the second one is a Firefox, which came from the Mozilla. And the third one is Internet Explorer, which came from the Windows. And sometimes you might find Edge browser that is available from the Windows 10 onwards. Well, we'll move to the resetting Internet Explorer. So in order to perform that, just do the same thing, window and R, and then type iExplore. It's IEXPLORE, and then hit OK. Then the respective browser got open. So this is the Internet Explorer. So just once again select at the very top and right click and click menu bar, and then you will get option tools. But before that, just close the pop-up what you see. So once you go to tools, you will get internet options. So this is wizard for the internet option. Just go to last section, that's the advanced. And here you have to check it out, the restore advanced settings followed with reset. So once you hit reset, you will get the pop-up like that. Just click reset once again. And depends on system speed, it will take a little bit time. Yes, we already resetted the browser. Now close everything. Well, here in order to reset Internet Explorer, there are other ways too. So to know that, just follow that tutorial. Just do the same thing, window and R, and then type control. And once you hit control, you will get the list of services which are available. And then just go to internet options. So this is the one. Once you click internet option, you will get the regular page, and go to advanced and click restore advanced settings and followed with reset, and then hit reset, and it will take a little bit time. Once it's done, just close and exit out from here. These are the ways to reset the browser manually, but some cases you can able to reset these browsers by using free tools like CCleaner. So this is a free tool, and this tool also available with paid version too. For our regular use, we will go for the free version, no need of paid version. And how to download and how to use the CCleaner, I already prepared the video, and the particular link available you can find out from the description below. That's all for now. Just follow this tutorial and share your valuable experience that might be useful for the beginners or the fresher who watch our video or our channel in future. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Once again, thank you all. We will meet you in the next video. MB Santosh signing off.